2007 Honda Ridgeline. These were the same from 06 to 2014. And I'm going to show you a little trick to make less of a mess when you change the oil. The best way to access the filter in these is to turn the wheel all the way to the right, and you can see the filters right here. You can access it easily from the wheel well. But the problem with these is that when you start twisting this filter off after you've drained your oil, of course, it starts leaking oil from the back of the filter, and it drips down to the back here and drips onto this part of the suspension, or the frame or cross member or whatever you call that. And then it runs all in here and drips all over the place and stays dirty and collects dust and grime and basically gets nasty over time and drips all over your driveway for a few days, and then you have to clean it off with a rag and everything. It's really a pain. So I'm going to try something different. I'll link to my other video where I tried to drill a hole in the bottom, and thinking that would allow the oil to miss like if you drill a hole here, it misses the frame, but what happens is that it's a slope, so the oil runs to the back and drips on there partly anyway. Today we're going to try something different. This one I think is going to work to, see if I can show it here. There's that hydraulic fluid line just under the filter that I think we can clip onto, and should be able to just balance the filter there for a minute or two while that filter drains. Then once it's drained, we can spin it off and it won't spill oil out of the top of the filter and get all over the place. Okay, here it goes. Draining. And everything's dry. Rotate the filter off and leave the funnel where it is. And this isn't working. Because obviously up in that, where the filter screws on, up on the mount, there must be some oil kind of sitting around the rim up there, so that even if the filter's kind of empty like it is right now, we'll see how empty it is. I don't want to drop it and make a big mess. It's kind of slippery. Oh shit! Well, that was a total fail. It seemed like such a good idea, but sometimes when you're doing this stuff it doesn't work, so I'm going to come up with an even better solution. We'll keep trying to crack this nut. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.